Hello everyone, my name is Jevino Fizal and our team is Noval Muhammad Akbar. And we can presentation the material about understanding the economic key concept and current trends. The first is introduction to the economy. They have 3 points. The first is definition. Definition: the economy refers to the system of production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services in a society. And the second is importance. Importance: understanding the economy helps us make better financial decisions and comprehend policies that affect our daily lives. And the next is key components: GDP, gross domestic products, inflation, employment rates, and fiscal policy and monetary policy. The next is key economic indicators. The first is GDP, gross domestic product, measure the total value of all goods and services produced in a country over a specific time. The next is unemployment rate, indicates the percentage of the labor force that is jobless but activity seeking employment. The next is inflation rate. Inflation rate, the rate at which prices for goods and services use rise, decreasing purchasing power. And the next is interest rates. Interest rates set by central banks that influence borrowing costs, affecting economic growth. The next is types of economics. The first is market economy. Market economy driven by supply and demand with minimal government intervention. For the example, United States. And the next is common economy, controlled by the government, which make production and pricing decisions. The example is North Korea. The next is mixed economy, combines elements of both market and common economies. The example is France. And the next is traditional economy, based on customs, history, and time-honored beliefs. And the example is in parts of Africa and Asia. And the next is economic cycles. The first is phases of economic cycles. They have 4 examples. The first is expansion, when the economy grows, leading to increased production and employment. And the next is peak, the highest point in the economic cycles where growth starts to slow. And the next is recession, a period of declining economic activity with reduced spending and rising unemployment. And the next is recovery. Recovery, the economy begins to grow again, moving forward expansion. And the next point is visual aid. Visual aid, graph showing an economic cycle. And the next is factor affecting the economy. The first is supply and demand. Supply and demand, the balance between available goods or balance services and consumer desire affects prices and production. The next is government policies. They have 2 points. The first is fiscal policy, government spending and taxation policies. And the second is monetary policy. The monetary policy, central bank action like adjusting interest rates to control inflation and stabilize the currency. And the next point is global events. Global events, threats, wars, pandemics, and geopolitical conflicts can can disrupt economic. And the next is technological advance. Technological advance innovations drive productivity but may disrupt traditional jobs. And the next is presented by my team, Muhammad Noval Akbar.
Okay, so now I'm going talking about current economic trends. There's many points about the current economic trends. The first point is global inflation. Global inflation, rising like inflation rates and the impact on purchasing power globally. And the second point, interest rate hikers. Interest rate hikes. Central banks are adjusting rates to combat inflation, influencing borrowing costs. And the third point is supply chain issue. Supply chain issue, disruption due to global events like pandemics or conflict. And the last point is growth of digital economy. Growth of digital economy, rise of e-commerce, quick fintech, and remote work reshaping traditional economic structure. Alright, now this is the next slide. The next slide is challenge facing the global economy. This is the first point of the global challenge facing the global economy is income inequality. The widening gap between the rich and the poor. And the second point is climate change. The climate change, economic consequence of extreme weather and environmental policies. The third point is aging population, increased demand of healthcare and conservation system. The last point is technological disruption, automation and AI impact on jobs and the labor market. Alright, we go to the next slide. The next slide is future outlook and production. First point is emerging market, expected to drive future economic growth. And the second point is sustainable development, shift toward green energy and sustainable practice. The third point is digital currency, possible mainstreaming of digital currencies by central banks. The last point is global cooperation, need for international collaboration to address shared challenge. And the next stage is conclusion. The conclusion summary is recap of key concept, current trends, and future outlook. The second is importance of awareness. The importance of awareness, understanding economic fundamental helps in marketing, information, decision, both personal and political. And the next step is the reference. The reference, we can visit the link to the investopedia.com terms the economic ASP. Okay, that is from our group presentation. During the mission, so sorry. Thank you guys. Bye bye.